Hello guys, welcome to Programming Pro channel. Today our agenda is to create a table and insert the data into the table and retrieve the data from the table. So let us see how to create the table. So if you see here, create table syntax is create table and table name. Let us consider we have taken employee as a table name and ID will be serial. Why we are choosing serial is a Postgres data type. It will be automatically generated, and whereas the first name, last name and gender all are character varying data types, and mobile will be a big integer because the mobile number will be greater than 9 digits, whereas integer will support only 9 digits, whereas begin will support more than 9 digits. And coming to email, it's a character varying. And now coming to insert parts. So how to insert data into the table is insert into employee. So what are the columns we are going to take? We are not taking considering ID because ID is a serial automatically generated, and we are trying to insert the data. First of all, let us create the table. So when we create a table, yes, query has been done successfully. So create table syntax is perfect. So now let us insert the data into the table. Yes, the row has been inserted. Let us insert one more row. So let us see here, same column names we have taken and we are trying to insert the data. Yes, insert has been successfully done. So now we are going for a retrieval of the table. So select star from employee of the table. So now if you see here, yes, the data has been ran and we are able to see the data from the employee table. We can perform some more operations on the select condition. So we say where last name is equal to Kohli. So when we say last name is equal to Kohli, again it gives you the row whose last name is Kohli.